Today is day one of an incredible journey. Over the next 100 days, I'm building a marketing system specifically for home service businesses. This system is designed to help you add 2 to 10 new clients consistently every single month on autopilot, sustainably, without breaking the bank. And I'm talking about positioning you as the top 1% in your area so that you can find the right type of client that you want to work with, crafting content that drives engagement, and setting up automations, systems, and processes in your marketing so that you can focus on things that you do good at. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or not sure what to do when it comes to social media marketing, then you're not alone. I've created a private group where you can join me in building this system step by step. Together, let us transform your marketing, solve challenges, and grow your business. If you're ready to get started, click the link below to join the group and start building your own marketing system. Now, this is just the beginning. Tomorrow, I'll be diving into defining your target audience and their biggest challenges. Don't miss it.